Hello? Is it me you're looking for? Yeah, it's me. Dutch Lock Picker. Welcome everybody, it's me. I'm back. And with a new lock I didn't pick. Got something with side pins. I don't know their key control or you have to pick them. It's a 5-pinner with a few side pins. Sometimes I have a little bit trouble with the warding, but if you have exactly there, it should be no problem. Maybe a little not really straight. Okay, yeah, you have to going to push against that, so you have to play a little sideways. Okay, let's go and see if we can go pick this mate. Let's see. Going to try to clockwise. Try to pick it counter clockwise. Well, I got a little problem with, so let's see if this is better. It's going to be my second time. I can feel the pins. Let's go. Number 1, nothing. Number 2, nothing. Or this is just a warning. A little click on the back. A little something at 5, I think. Go back to the front. Feel something on 1. What's binding? A little click and a little click on the cord. Go for pin number 2. Springing. Number 3. Binding. Got a little falset. Go to 4. 4 should be deep on. Maybe it's already set. Try to 5. 5 is nothing. Try the front. It's a long time I pick locks. Had some other things to do and just I want to have a little break because my mind was only with locks, so sometimes you need to take a break. I am not feeling counter rotation, but I assume I have to do something with 2 and 4. Probably it's going to be pin number 2. Or my pick is just going to be stuck in the warding. I'm going to try it a little bit deeper because I already have falset, so I'm not scared to drop some pins, and I think still, yes, this is going to be. It was indeed pin number 2. I think I set it. There's some pin drop back and now it's open. I do feel that I'm touching sometimes the side pins, but I was not picking them. This one is open. I don't know why this is spinning. These are, you can open them, the two keys in both ends, so I think that's why they're spinning. But this one is open. So this was the Winkhaus. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and I don't know why this is turning. Maybe that's why I got this for free. You can't open it without damage the C-clip. This one is pressed. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and see you soon for some other locks. I have this says with a funny profile. Got no key. So this is going to be my next video. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like it, please do a like, and then I like that too. Laters.